Hello, my dear students. So last class we have seen 13th question, okay, in the Trico chapter. So today we will see the question number 14th, okay. So question number 14th is here on your screen, okay. So how to solve question number 14? See once again everyone, there is a cot they have given here, cot square a plus cos square a. This side they have given, okay, RHS side, and left hand side they have given the cosec, sine and cosec and sine. So again we have to connect. How we will connect with the cosec with the cot? See everyone, okay, when we are going to solve the trigonometry, okay, for the ICSE board class 10th, yeah, any CBSE board, yeah, state board, this thing always you keep in mind. If a plus b they will write and a minus b they will write, always you have to, this one a square minus b square, you have to treat like this, okay. Yeah, they will give sine a plus cos a, and they will again here write sine a minus cos a, okay. So directly you write this one sine square a minus cos square a. It will always helpful, okay. It will always proceed your problem very well. So here see a plus b and a minus b concept is there. So directly I will apply here a square minus b square logic here, okay. This is the LHS we are starting here. So this we have done, and now we want cot, okay. In first video, no, 3 minute 11 second one mistake is there. Cos a divided by sine a is equal to, I written tan theta, but this is actually tan theta. Sorry, this is actually cot. This is actually cot a, okay. So see here, cosec is also connected to this one. Cosec is also connected to sine, and sine is already sine here. So what I will do in this one, I will write here in this question 1 by sine square a minus sine square a, okay. And after writing this one, what we will do here, 1 minus sine is 1 divided by sine square a minus sine square a, okay. What is this? This I can write here 1 minus sine 4a divided by sine square a, okay. It's fine. Now what we will do in the second, from the LHS we have proceed here. Now we will start from the RHS, okay. Let's see from the RHS. From RHS side, what we will do in this one, cot square a. So cot square a I can write in this one cos square a divided by sine square a plus cos square a, okay. Cos square a I will take common here, and this is the 1 by sine square a plus 1 here, okay. And this one what I will do, again further I will do here one thing, cos square a I will write here 1 plus sine square a, and this is the sine square a, okay. Is it fine this one? Now this cos square a I will convert in the sine square a, 1 minus sine square a 1 plus sine square a divide by, this is the sine square a, okay. We have done this one. One second, let me remove this one, okay. One second. So now what I will do with this part here, okay. So simply again in this one a minus b is here, you see, this is the a, this is the a minus b, this is the 1 actually, this is the a minus b and a plus b. So again I will write a square minus b square, so I will write here sine 4a divided by sine square a. So we got it here, okay. LHS is equal to RHS. See, LHS we got like this, and RHS also we got like this, okay. So now we can write here LHS is equal to RHS, okay. So this we have done here. So this question number 14 is over. Okay. So now we'll go to the next question. So question number 15 is here. One second. Question number 15 is here. Sec A minus cos A, and the second thing is here sec A minus cos A, okay, equal to sin A square A plus tan A square A. So sec A minus cos A, sec A square, this is the how I will write this one, sec A minus cos A here plus actually. So sec A square A minus cos square A, okay, this is the correct here, sec square A minus cos square A. Now sec square A, what I will do, sec square A I will write here 1 plus tan square A. I have told in the first video, okay, clearly is sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So I will write here, and cos square A I will convert 1 minus sin square A. So 1 plus tan square A minus plus sin square A, and 1 and 1 get cancel, tan square A plus sin square A. Okay, so this is the LHS I started here. Okay, now we reach to the RHS. Okay, so very simple thing is here, sec A cos A is here, sec A cos A is there, and here is sin and tan. You know that ki tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Okay, so this is the here thing, sin A by cos A. So if you convert this sec in the cos form, this sec in the cos form, okay, and if cos will come, then from cos you can come to the sin. Okay, it's not a problem. Yeah, you can use this formula and you can solve this question. Okay, so hope you understand question number 16. Okay, if any doubt or any question if you want I have to solve, okay, then you have to write in the comment box. Okay, so now next is here, next question I will solve question number 16. Okay, question number 16 is here. Let's see, cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A whole square plus cos A minus sin A whole square equal to 2. Cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 cos A into sin A. Cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 cos A into sin A. This and this get cancel here, and this is the one second, cos 2 cos square A, 2 cos square A plus 2 sin square A. So 2 I will take the common, cos square A plus sin square A. And all of you know that first video I have explained very well, cos square A plus sin square A, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So the answer is here 2. So I started from LHS, okay, and we reached the RHS. Okay, so hence proved here LHS is equal to RHS. So hope this is clear to you. Okay, now we will come to question number next 17. So question number 17 is here. Question number 17 is here in this one. Cosec A minus sin A, okay, cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A, and next one is here tan A plus cot A, okay, equal to 1. So this is the question number 17. So cosec A 1 by sin A minus sin A 1 by cos A minus cos A, and this one what I will do, sin A divide by में cos A, and this is the cos A divide by में sin A. Okay, so this is I have started from the LHS. Okay, this one, and again 1 minus sin A square A, this is divide by में sin A, and again this is the 1 minus cos square A divide by में cos A, and this is the sin square A plus cos square A and divide by में sin A into cos A. Okay, so now 1 minus sin square A I can write here cos square A, and this is the I can write sin square A divide by cos A divide by sin A, and this is the 1 sin A into cos A. So this sin A cancel, this cos A cancel, and this is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this is the proved here, we got the RHS. Okay, so question number 17 we have done. Okay, if anybody have any doubt, okay, and after finishing this complete session, okay, I will start 20 years question, especially on the TRICO. All the question came in the TRICO from the last 20 years, that we will do. Okay, so question number 18 is here. Question number 18, 1 by में sec A plus tan A, sec A plus tan A, and sec A minus tan A. Okay, so LHS I will start here. Okay, so see here, sec A plus tan A, such kind of, this is the one kind of problem. Okay, this kind of problem they will give, like A 1 by A plus B, and here they will write A minus B. So this kind of problem will come, then directly you do above and below you multiply with the just opposite sign. Okay, whatever sign they will give here. So 1 by में sec A plus tan A multiply sec A minus tan A divide by में sec A minus tan A. Okay, this is here sec A minus tan A, sec square A minus tan square A. Okay, this is the A plus B, and this is the A minus B, and this is the sec A by में tan A. Okay, so we got here RHS. Okay, we got here RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. So hope you understand this this question. If anybody have any kind of doubt, okay, you have to ask. Okay, I will answer within 24 hours. Okay, I will see. Okay, anybody have any doubt, you just write in the comment box. I will reply immediately this one. The question number 19 here. Question number 19. Question 19 is here, again same pattern question. Okay, so before going to okay, you have to pause the video first. You have to pause the video and you take the attempt. Okay, and then you try this question by yourself. Okay, the same pattern. Okay, whatever I told the last question, the same pattern question. This is nothing different in this one. Okay, so I will start here from the LHS. Okay, so cosec A plus cot A multiply cosec A minus cot A, minus I will apply because plus is here, and again I will write here cosec A minus cot A. Why I am writing this one? Because both one if you cancel now you will get one only. So anything multiply 1, you can multiply 1 here with this one. Okay, that's why I written here cosec A minus cot A. cosec A minus cot A. So see here, this is the A plus B and A minus B. So A plus B, A minus B is the what formula? A plus B and A minus B. Those who know this one, he can little bit faster make the video. Okay, he have to see, he have to watch 1.5 or 1.25 speed. Okay, so A square minus B square. So but those who don't know, you have to go through the basic. Okay, cot A square A, and this is the cosec A minus cot A. So this is the one here, 1 divide by में cosec A minus cot A. Okay, so this is the RHS, we got it here. Okay, so I can say here LHS is equal to RHS. So this is your answer. Okay, so question number 19 we have done. Now we will come to the next question. Next question is here, question number 20. Okay, if any kind of you need improvement in this video, or you need anything, okay, then you just write in the comment box. Sec A minus tan A divide by में sec A plus tan A 1 minus 2 sec A into tan A plus 2 tan square A. So LHS is equal to sec A minus tan A and sec A plus tan A. Okay, see, I want actually 1 minus 2 sec A dot tan A and 2 tan square A. So what I will do here, it's very simple. I will multiply here reciprocal sec A minus tan A divide by sec A minus tan A. Okay, so this is the sec A minus tan A whole square, and this is the sec square A minus tan square A. So this is the down is the 1 here, and this one I will expand. Okay, A minus B the whole square. So what happened, this is sec square A plus tan square A minus 2 sec A into tan A. Okay, minus 2 sec A into tan A. So I expanded this one in this form. Okay, sec square A plus tan square A, this completely expanded in this form. So what I will do here, this you know that this one is a 1 because this formula already I told you. And now you see here, I want here 2 tan square A. Already see, this part I got it here, this part I got it here, this part I want only tan. So this sec I will convert in the tan. So you know that the formula sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So sec square is equal to 8. I can write here 1 minus tan square A plus tan square A. Okay, no, 1 plus tan square A, sorry. And this is the 2 sec A into tan A. Okay, and this I can write here 1 plus 2 tan square A minus 2 sec A into tan A. Okay, so this is your RHS. Okay, and LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved, the thing has proved. Okay, so hope you understand. Okay, if you like this work, okay, for the 2021 batch, yeah, coming batches, those who are going to appear in the board exam, okay, then please share, like and subscribe this one. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, in the more video will come in the coming session. Okay.